How to change your country on your Google account. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're looking to change the country that you're present in on your Google account, there is a very simple way. The first thing you have to do is, because Google does not natively have your location or your account designated in a particular country, it takes your country from the IP address that you're present in. So the first thing you want to do is go into your Google account. You want to click on your account, or you can just go into Google and then click on your account on the top right, and then click on manage your account. Now, once you do that, you want to click on personal info, and once you click on personal info, you can scroll down over here, and once you scroll down, you will actually see multiple different addresses. So in your addresses, you want to remove any preset addresses that you have, like I have over here. I can click on remove over here. So once you've removed your addresses, the next thing you want to do is go into your device. So whatever device you're using, you want to go into your device and click on location sharing. Now, once you go into location sharing, you can go into your privacy and security, and you have the option of whether or not your device is showing your current location. So you want to turn this off for Google Chrome or for Google Play Store, whichever application that you are using. So you want to turn the location off. Now, once you have turned the location off for Google Chrome like this, now once we've turned our location off, the next thing you have to do is simply download any VPN service that you want, like ZenMate or any other VPN, and you can turn this VPN on, and that will be your new Google account location. This is going to be the same for your Google Play Store. So if you're using the Play Store on your browser, then it's going to be showing from the VPN location as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like, and I will catch you in the next video.